stories. We all spend our lives telling them about this, about that, about people.
So
But
what do you do instead?
some stories are so good, we wish they'd never end. They're so
The other
gripping
night,
that we'll go without sleep just
I
to
helped save
see
someone's life.
a little bit more.
That felt really good.
Some stories bring us laughter, and sometimes they bring us tears. But isn't that what a great story does? Makes you feel.
She still is.
Stories that are so powerful,
Not all monsters.
they really are with us forever.
These next 20 episodes will be the final season of Teen Wolf.
This is a family. You guys are all a part of it. You guys have helped us get to this point.
It's been a wild ride.